Hello students, I'm Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today I'm going to teach you chapter number 3, whole numbers of class 6th mathematics. So our first topic is the number 0. You already know about the number 0. Now place value and face value. Place value of a digit in a number is the product of the digit or its place in the numeration system. What is place value? Means on a given number, the number is lie on which place. Okay, so 1, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. Now value of the digit is the digit itself. Now what is face value? Suppose we have number 25, so the face value of at one's place is 5 only. Okay, now the whole numbers on the number line. What is whole number? Whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, means to infinity. And what are natural number? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity, means natural number starts from 1 and whole number starts from 0 to infinity. Now whole numbers on number line. Okay, so here the number line we made, and you can see which is started from 0 to so on. Okay, means to infinity. Successor and predecessor of a whole number. What is successor? The successor of a whole number is the number that we get by adding 1 to the number. Suppose we have question 25, so the successor of 25 is 26, means we have to add 1. Now second, predecessor. What is predecessor? Means we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Suppose our question is 25, so predecessor of 25 is 24. Now on the basis of these concepts, we will solve exercise number 3.1. Question number 1, draw a number line and mark the whole numbers 0, 2, 4 and 6 on it. Now our solution is, first we will make the number line which is started from 0 to so on, or whatever the number is given. Now we have to mark 0, 2, 4 and 6. So we will mark 0, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, like this you have to solve this question. Now question number 2, write the successor of the following number. Successor means we have to add one number to the given number. First question is 7, 3, 2, 7, 9. Now in this question we just have to plus 1 in the given number. So when we will solve, you will get 73280. This is our answer. Now second question, 46007. Our answer will be 46008. Now in this manner you have to solve. Question number 3, write the predecessor of the following numbers. Predecessor means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. First question is 32650. Minus 1, here you have to do minus 1. Okay, so what you will get? 32649. Question number 2, 328000. So when you will subtract minus 1, you will get 327999. Okay, now question number 4, put greater than or less than sign in the blanks. Okay, this is very simple question. You just have to put the greater than or less than sign. You have to compare the numbers and you have to put the greater than or less than sign. Question number 5, write down the next 5 consecutive whole numbers after 79816. To write the number after 79816. So write any number 79816. We will write 79817, 818, 819, 820, 821. Okay, like this you have to write. Now question number 6, write down the 5 consecutive whole number just before 5603. Means, okay, so before you can write any numbers. Suppose 56018, 56019, 56020, 56021, 56022. Question number 7, write down any whole numbers between 1000 and 1200. So you can write any number. Okay, suppose 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1010. Okay, 1100. Like this you have to write. Write down any 5 whole numbers between 0 and 500. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this you have to write the answer. Question number 9. Arrange the following in descending order. What is descending order? Means from largest to smallest. Okay, largest to smallest. Here you can see which is the largest number, that is 6053. First 63, then greater than sign 5603, then 3605, then 653, then 53, and then 0 at last. Now in this manner you have to solve this question. Now question number 10, you have to arrange in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means you have to arrange from smallest to largest, and you have to use sign less than. Okay, you have to use this sign, and first you have to write the smallest number and then largest. Question number 11, write down the following. First, the smallest 6-digit number. So what is the smallest 6-digit number? That is this one, 1 lakh. Okay, now largest of 5-digit number, that is 99,999. Now smallest 7-digit number, that is here, it is given here, the largest 6-digit number. Okay, now find the relation between 1, 2 and the relation between 3 and 4. Now you can see 1 is a of second. How? When we add 9999 plus 1, we will get our first answer. Okay, now when we will add 1 here, we will get the third answer. So we write 1 is a successor of 2 while 3 is a successor of. Question number 12, fill in the blanks. The natural numbers, you know, natural number is starting from 1, so 1 is the smallest number. The smallest whole number is, you know, whole number is started from 0, so 0 is the smallest whole number. Now blank is less than every natural number, that is 0. The successor of largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number, what is largest 2-digit number? That is 99, and the successor of 99 is 100. Okay, now the predecessor of smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is 100, so predecessor means -1. Now 99 is our answer. Now our new concept is operation on whole number, that is addition of whole number and subtraction of whole number. Now on the basis of this we will solve exercise number 3.2. Question number 1, find the sum of the following numbers by suitable arrangement. Here you just have to add these numbers. Okay, when you will add, you will get these numbers. Now question number 2, do the subtraction sum and check your answers by suitable conditions. Okay, here you just have to subtract the given number. Question number 3, in the sums given below, replace the star with suitable digits. Here I already gave you the answer, so like this you have to solve. You have to put the numbers so you can get this your as a answer. Question number 4, in a school with a total strength of 1256, the boys is 696. Find the number of girls in the school. Okay, so total strength is 1296 and number of boys is 696. So how you can find the total minus boys? Okay, so total means total is 1256 minus 696. One is girl. Okay, so this is our answer. Now question number 2, in a village the number of men is 1286 and the number of women is 1198. If the total population of village is 4526, so we have to find the number of children in the village. So number of men is 1286, women and total population. So we have to find children's. The remaining one is children. So total population minus number of men minus number of women. Total is 4526 minus number of men and minus number of women. The remaining one will be the children. So when you will subtract 1286 and 1198 from 4526 you will get 2042. So 2042 are the children's. Now question number 6, Mr. Sharma withdrew 6000 from the bank. He paid 2517 from a table and 1815 for repairs in the house. How much is left with him? Okay, so how many amount he withdrew from bank? That is 6000. Paid for table, that is 2517. Repair in the house, that is this. Now we have to find the money. So total money is 6000 and this is his spent, means he spent these monies in for a table and for repairing his house. So we have to find the remaining amount. So we will subtract from 6000 minus 257 minus 15. So we will get our answer. Now question number 7, find the difference between the new number and the original number if the digits 6 and 8 are interchanged in the number. So given number is this one, 28436. Now original number will be, we have to replace, suppose given number is 28436. Now we have to replace 6 and 8. So 2, 6, 4, 3 and 8. So these are the two numbers. Now we have to find the difference. So 28436 minus 26438. When you will subtract this, you will get 1998 as answer. Now question number 8. Geetanjali deposited 1 lakh in her bank account. Later she withdrew 2568 7 and 8640 for various purposes. How much money is left in her bank account? So the deposit amount is 1 lakh, withdrew amount is this one, 2568 5898640. So first we will calculate the withdrew amount, that is 7105. This is the total withdrew amount. Now money left, how can we find money left? So we can subtract 17105 from 1 lakh. So we will get our answer. Okay. Now question number 9. Write down the smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit number and find their sum. The smallest 6-digit number will be this one and largest 6-digit will be this one. You have to add both the numbers, then you will get your answer. Now question number 10, complete the following magic square. Okay, so how you can calculate, how you can find this? You have to put the numbers and you have to see the total of the rows or column. Okay, suppose you can see here the number is 10, 3 and 8. So the sum of 10, 3 and 8 is 21. Okay, now you can see the sum of 256. The sum of 3, 7, 11 is 21. Okay, now you can see 8, 9, 4 sum is 21. In the same manner 5, 7, 9 and 6, 11, 4 the sum of these number are also 21. So in this manner you have to solve these questions. I hope you understand all the question of these two exercise. Now you have to prepare these questions in your copies. Thank you and have a nice day.